Tonight at 10, Vivent Health helps care for people across the country with HIV. They say their food pantries have seen a huge increase in demand.
In Missouri alone, they filled nearly 8,000 grocery orders for people with HIV. KSHB 41's Grant Stevens looked into the increase and the unique challenges those with HIV face.
For a long time, I felt like we were the best kept secret in Kansas City.
The secret's out. Demand is up.
The numbers are each month, each week on the increase.
Caroline Huffman with Vivent Health KC say staff are seeing an increase of 30% from last year.
The staff that are a part of this, I call them the heart and soul of the pantry.
So when people walk in here, what do you want them to feel?
I mostly just want people to feel welcome.
We met some of that heart and soul. Nicholas Clark.
That's something I feel held by as a human being and as an employee here. I mean, it's very powerful to know that you are what's standing in between somebody going hungry.
He's one of the first faces people see when they come in here, and for some, the sole provider of food.
It's a reflection of what's going on. Surging inflation and the cost of food prices and gas, and people just, that kind of economic context, people are just really struggling to get their basic needs met.
They count on Clark and the rest of the staff because many people with HIV may also be houseless. They may have financial or medical trouble.
If you guys just disappeared tomorrow, what would happen?
Well, 806 people that are signed up for this pantry right now, a huge food source of them would just go away, would disappear. It's 806 people that would be without food. It'd be 806 people that don't have a place to come when they're out of food.
Vivent Health does more than this. They help with counseling, medicine, healing. And as Clark would say, food is a big part of that. In Kansas City, Grant Stevens, KSHB 41 News.